Would you believe me if I said that I don't even own a foundation or concealer? Because I don't. The reason being, honestly, is because I do not like them. I do not like using them. I don't know how to use them. And I hate when foundation and concealer stain clothes. And because of that, it has been my goal to take care of my skin health, skincare, and reach the point when I simply didn't need to use foundation and concealer. Like kids, they don't need it. And I am someone who used to have bad breakouts, and not using a concealer or foundation wasn't really a choice for me. And that is when I decided that in order for me not to use them, I first have to prioritize skincare. And by succeeding in that, will I achieve the goal of not needing to use any foundation or makeup? Now I only do my eyes, and that is enough for like day to day. Obviously, if there is an event and I need a full glam foundation, concealer, makeup, it's just goes with it. That's okay, but I'm talking more like day to day. And for those outings, I usually get it professionally done, so that's another reason why I don't own concealer or foundation, because I don't use them in my day-to-day life. Right now, the only thing I have on my face is SPF, and that's it. And I just do my eyes because I don't feel like you need to use concealers. And even if you do use them, it's best not to use them every single day. What I actually wanted to talk about was that the importance of taking care of your skin and beauty, even inside out. Obviously makeup is gorgeous. If you're talented, that's amazing, but I'm talking more about skin health and how important it is to prioritize above, I'd say even above makeup, skincare. That's just number one, because on top of that skin is when you put on makeup, but your skin is and it's something that's not easy to figure out. Figuring out your skincare routine is a journey, and it's a journey worth embarking on. And you will definitely succeed once you actually start to educate yourself more. Obviously, there's a lot of experimentation that goes with it, but I think if you are getting into skincare, if you are into beauty, if you are into all those kind of things, really your focus and priority when it comes to even purchases and budgeting should always be focused on the root, on what comes first. And what comes first, in my opinion, is your skin, and putting that first. And that means getting professional advice, and instead of buying that super expensive foundation, why not book a consultation with a dermatologist? Because in the long term, that will serve you better, if you know what I mean. And that honestly goes back with my whole philosophy of self-care, how I look at it. Because for me, I love beauty, I love fashion, and I love all those things. But if I had to put them in order of what would be my priorities, what would be my focus when it comes to even expenses, I think, and I always do put beauty first and then fashion. Because beauty it's a whole topic. It's not only about skincare and makeup and all that. To me, it starts from the internal, I'd say. Internal health, because everything, makeup, clothes, that's an accessory, correct? But your skin, your well-being, your health is a reflection of your inner state. Your skin, there is a pimple, a breakout, that's always your body telling you something. And that's actually the hardest thing to take care of, because many of the times we don't know really what's going on, you know. And for me, I always prioritize like beauty treatments, beauty routine, because even over fashion, because it has to do directly with me and how I feel. Because clothes don't wear you, you wear the clothes. So you can be wearing your pajamas outside, but if you feel confident, if you feel beautiful, you know, not like you will reflect that. Regardless of what you're wearing, people will feel that energy that is just transcends, because people that you pay attention to is actually not because of the clothes they're wearing, because you know some people, they walk into a room and everyone just turns their head. I think it's more of an energy thing, and energy thing is coming from the inside, so that should be your first priority. And that is why I always prioritize my feeling, my inner state, how I feel, before everything else. So that's a little message from me to you, and just something I really wanted to share. And let me know if you have any questions or some topics you want me to dive deeper into, whether it's skincare, recommendations, or anything of that sort. I'm always happy to share if what I share is helpful. So yeah, see you in the next one.